I don't have enough money to do everything all at once. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. We're here to talk about this situation that I think a lot of inventors feel like they have to do everything all at once right now. And it can be really debilitating, thinking about all these different balls they've got to keep moving as a technical founder, as the potential CEO of a growing, fast-paced, high-tech type of product or service. So one thing to just is take a breath. And when it comes to intellectual property and securing what might be a cornerstone in your technology development is you don't have to do a giant full utility non-provisional patent application right out of the gate. You don't need to know which countries you're filing into, whether you're doing a Hague or a PCT, or if you're doing an international licensing deal. That can all wait. And actually, one benefit of the slow USPTO system is that it's just that, it's slow. And you can rely on that in terms of taking time, one step at a time. It can be as simple as a provisional patent application to start that process. Get something done, not everything, not asking for the whole patent to get granted tomorrow, but just submitting your invention the right way, taking one small step. Now, yeah, you've got a whole host of other things to worry about. Talking to investors, putting your pitch together, figuring out the actual feasibility of your technology, maybe even furthering the potential marketing or sales or getting initial buy-in from your alpha or beta testers. And of course, building your team, hiring, hopefully not firing, but building that culture that will become part of your enterprise, your business as it moves forward. Sure. So let us patent attorneys take that little tiny step, not all of it at once, but one step toward getting you that relief, that peace of mind that you're looking for, I believe, as an inventor, as a technical founder, as an entrepreneur myself, having some security, having one thing checked off the list, brings down the anxiety. And so let that be part of this answer is that you don't need to know how to do everything all at once. Just rely on experts, trusted, validated experts that have been there and done it for years to take that burden off your shoulders and take one small step toward your eventual path. All right, I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.